Hello everyone, this is Abhinash, an IAS officer. Friends, GS4 or ethics in UPSC Civil Services exam is highly scoring, but this is a very tricky paper. So in this video friends, I'll give you a practical insight and I'll tell you what to read and what not to read. So friends, about books, the most important book is second ARC 4th chapter, that is called as Ethics in Governance. Please download this chapter and don't go for its summary, but please read the whole document, fourth chapter of second ARC, because you will understand the government side of view. So here there are a lot of case studies, philosophical stuffs, so it will enrich your answer. The second most important resource is newspaper. Friends, lot of case studies you can write from a newspaper itself. So you just read about. There are around 10-12 case studies, standard case studies. I will discuss all those in detail. I'll make several videos on that. There is one reason why people do not score really good in ethics, because they do not write from the government point of view. They just write many things which are not practical. You have to be very realistic and practical whenever you write any answer, especially in ethics paper. I'll discuss all those case studies one by one in my videos. Third, third one, please read this one. Balaji DK's answer on ethics. Friends, he has written his strategy. Balaji DK, he is a 2014 batch IS officer. He has written his strategy on Insight on India. I'll post the link because that is the most practical approach or strategy by any topper I have ever seen, especially on ethics. And he was one of the top scorer. Please read that because he has given much practical insight. What are the books not recommended? Lexicon is not recommended, or any other book you would be coming across in newspaper or anything. Don't go for that. Those books are not recommended. The highly recommended book is previous year question paper. Friends, again I reiterate, because case studies constitute around 50% of ethics mark, and there are only 10 to 12 types of case studies for ethics paper, and you have to make proper answer for that, especially practical answer for that. I'll discuss all those case studies one by one. Don't worry about that, those templates. Please download previous year question paper. Then another very important source, it may help if you can buy from the market or anything. I believe the notes of Pawan sir and Lukman sir are extremely good for ethics. Please go for those two. Lukman sir is very good, either Pawan sir or Lukman sir. Others are like very philosophical and it doesn't help you. See, in ethics paper, it's not about psychology or philosophy or any random stuff you will write, but it's more about practical and realistic approach, because you will join bureaucracy and you will be seen as a problem solver. So please have a very practical approach. So I will discuss all those case studies in detail in subsequent videos. And and if you find this, if you have any other doubt, you can watch my previous videos. It will help you a lot. Thank you everyone.